Hi, this is Ray with Windows Gutters, etc. And what I'd like to do is talk about when you're prepping your house for sale. You already know that you need to get the inside as roomy as possible. But one of the things that tends to get overlooked until the very last second is getting your windows cleaned. And that's when you tend to be in the most hurry because your pictures are going to be taken the next day or the next 3 days. So at Windows Gutters, etc., we try to help you out, try to accommodate. We can't always do it, but one of the things that we always ask when we're going to is if we're able to come outside normal work hours, because we typically are booked out 3 weeks at a time. So for us to come in the next day, unless it's maybe in the middle of January and it's snowing, it's going to be very rare that we'll be able to do it during regular work hours. But if you're flexible with us, meaning we can come early, maybe even as early as 5 a.m., or even work possibly as late as 10 p.m., we do our best to try to help you out. We know your house, when you're trying to sell it, there's a lot of chaos getting it prepped. Windows are always the last to be thought about, typically. So while we can't always promise it, we will do our best to help you out. So if you have questions, give us a call. I'm Ray, I'm the owner. Windows Gutters, etc. 303-810-6923. And I'll do my best to help you. Thanks. Bye.